Hey guys, this is Nosh43 here with a little tutorial for you. I've got my iPhone 4, trusty little iPhone here, and as you can see, well, you probably can't see, I gotta turn the brightness down. Let me do that. Alright, as you can see, I've got a rather fancy clock up there. Now I have this, it's from a tweak. This tweak is called, it's a jailbreak tweak. Not this one. It is... Okay, there's a few things. There's Typo Clock Builder. And then you gotta also get Clock Builder from the App Store. It's 99 cents right now. I'd recommend you go get it now. Don't use Installus. Come on, guys. Really? It's 99 cents. You got the money. Basically, you can sit here and you can make your own clock. And once you make your own clock, you've got multiple to choose from. You know, you can look online. You can make as many clocks as you want. Here's the one that I made. We're going to activate. And then we're going to hit done. And then you can see the theme there. Here, let me turn the brightness up again. Here. Oh, let me get rid of that. Yep, you can see the theme there. Pretty cool. Only thing I've noticed is the temperature and the rain don't seem to update for me. Maybe a personal problem, I don't know. But basically what you gotta do is you gotta go into Cydia. Don't have to add any special sources for this or anything. It's all pre-done for you. There's one thing that you have to do, just because it doesn't work anymore for iOS 5, or it does, but it doesn't. Now, I'll explain that in a second. You go into Cydia, it's going to update. You know, I'm just going to cancel the updating because I don't want to wait. And I've already got this done. So now you search Typo Clock Builder. And it's, you know, one of those things. It's Typo Clock is all one word, and then Builder's a separate word. You don't have to search it, you can just type in typo and it'll be like the fourth result there, unless you've got extra repositories with a lot of typo words, you know, or with the word typo in it a lot. So basically what this does is it allows you to edit your lock screen. You're going to want to also get another tweak. It's called like lock screen clock hide or clock hide. I don't remember the name of it. I'm trying to find it now. Yeah, lock screen clock hide. And all that does is it hides the big bar up there with the clock on it, and that massive letters clock, and that gets rid of it. Now with that, you now have a wide open space for your lock screen to be. Now, you don't have to do that though. You can leave the clock up if you don't want to put a clock there, for instance. If you don't want the time AM, PM, or the time to be on your lock screen, all you gotta do is go into Clock Builder and get rid of it. So, that's up to you. Most people though have an actual clock. But anyway, since it's 100% fully customizable, you go and you follow the instructions or whatever it is you want to do on how you want to make your clock. Once your clock is made, you have to install Typo Clock Builder. You can install that before or after your clock's made. It really doesn't matter as long as it gets installed. Now, another app you absolutely 100% need. It's called LSSync. Now, in order to get LSSync, you have to go on the internet itself and download the .deb file. You do need iFile for this. So if you don't have iFile, you're going to want to go get it. It's on this app, or it's on the Cydia store. It does cost money. Do buy it, please. I don't support piracy. You know, once you get it in iFile, or once you get iFile, or if you already have iFile, you download the .deb, and you basically place it. What I followed the guide, and this is what they told me. they told me to place it in from the root directory, the slash, go to var, and place it in var via either SSH or iPhone Explorer, or iExplorer, sorry. I prefer to use iExplorer because it's a simple, easy to use. You don't have to set up any networks. You don't have to make sure your phone's on the same network. You can do this offline even. All you have to do is plug your phone into your computer with your 30-pin USB connector, and off you go. You just copy it into the var folder, not any of the folders inside of var, just the straight var file folder. Right after that, you just copy LSSync.deb. LS and sync should be caps. I'm going to include the download link in the description, so you don't have to worry about finding that on your own. I'll find it for you. And then once you get LSSync.deb on your iPhone or iPod Touch or whatever iDevice you're using, you tap it and a list will come up. You've got your zip viewer, unarchiver, and installer. You click installer and it'll install for you. Now if it doesn't install the first time, what you gotta do is respring or restart your iPhone and then try again. The reason I say this is because the same thing happened to me. Don't freak out. And that's all you gotta do. Respring or restart your iPhone and it should work. Install it again and it should go through. If it doesn't install, I don't know. Try and find another guide on that. I'm not your tech support. I mean, I am, but I'm not. I'm just trying to help you with this. I don't know. Never had that problem, so I have no idea how to fix it. Basically, once that's all done and you have LSSync installed, you go into LSSync. Actually, first of all, you go to Clock Builder. And you take it, and there's a little... It looks like the options for, in the picture gallery. Click that, and you would hit Set as Lock Screen. Now, since I don't want to set this one as my lock screen, I'm going to go find one that I do. Edit. No. List. No. Yep. Okay. Now I'm going to go select the one that I want as my lock screen. Now, this is one I found online. Hit Activate Theme. And this is the one that I found online. It's pretty cool. Only thing is the numbers go off. Somebody didn't size that correctly, or it was sized for an iPad. I really don't care. Now we hit the middle and set as lock screen, and now it says lock screen save. But when I close my iPhone, or when I lock my iPhone and open back up, I still have my old lock screen. Now it's not going to give you your old lock screen. It'll show you that it's not configured for your theme, because there's one little issue there, and the issue is LSSync. For some reason it doesn't want to work, or not LSSync. Typo Clock Builder does work, but it's not working fully. In order to get that to work fully, you go into LSSync, and I believe this helps you manage, typo phone weather if you have it, and Clock Builder 2 as well, which is supposed to be coming soon, whatever that is. It says in development. But basically, up in the top right, or top left, you got a little blue button. You hit Sync Theme, and it should say, it'll say Clock Builder found yes, themes found yes, and then it should say done. And once that says done, you respring. Right there's a button up there at the top that says respring. You wait until your phone pops back up, or you wait until your device pops back up again. I'm waiting a little bit longer than normal. It's okay. You may get like a splash screen like that. It's all weird. Just turn your phone, or close your phone, open it back up again, and bam, you got your lock screen. Also, really cool thing about Clock Builder is it allows you to change your sliders fairly easily. You just go into the Settings tab, and you go to Lock Screen Settings, Current Slider Image, or Select Slider Image, and you've got Not an extensive, but you've got a decent amount of sliders to choose from, so I'm going to choose this one. And then I close that, and I open it, and it's still the normal slider. That's because I haven't resprung yet. So now, after I get out of that app, I'm going to use SB settings for this. You don't have to have it. You can find another way to respring. A lot of people like changing their iPhone's language to respring, because that's the only way you can respring on a stock iPhone, non-jailbroken. But everything has to be jailbroken for this to work anyway. Clock Builder will not change your slider image unless you're jailbroken. And then you hit respring. You wait for it to restart Springboard. And once that's done, you have a new slider and you have your lock screen done. So I highly recommend this jailbreak tweak, and I like how you're seeing App Store apps now that interact with jailbreak tweaks. It's a little different, if you will. Instead of the app just being, oh yeah, the app just works, it doesn't, it's all jailbreak. Well, no, this whole thing is based around an app that's not jailbreak compatible, or that is jailbreak compatible, but isn't only available to people that jailbreak. So it makes me think, maybe Apple is either letting up on the jailbreak community, or this one just got through, like the display recorder that was out a while ago that I updated my phone and it wasn't there anymore. But yeah, it's really, really cool. Basically, you've got an app in the App Store that costs 99 cents and 2 free jailbreak tweaks that combine together to use, or to become something more and become a useful tweak to your phone. 2 jailbreak tweaks that have absolutely no use to you until you install that App Store app. So, I find that cool that the jailbreak community is working on things like that. And, also, it shows that Apple is not as big of a stickler to jailbreak terms, like lock screen images, stuff like that. Lock screen, it's Clock Builder, yes, but it says a lot about lock screens. So that's really cool. And we're about done here, I believe. Links will be in the description. As always, follow me on Twitter, Nosh21. Subscribe if you want. I post videos, basically whatever I feel like posting at the time. So there's a lot that can be done. There's a lot that I do. There's also a lot that can't be done. So, try and make any requests you have within reason. But yeah, the LSSync.deb download will be included in the description. Have a nice day.